Hello everybody, my name is Farmer Phil, and today, as you can just about see behind me, there's a bit of a haze there, I am dealing with diffusion. So, this is the first time I've used a video with diffusion. So I'm pretty much doing it because I'm only after getting a brand new phone holder, which is far more rigid, or I think is more rigid. So please let me know in the comments down below, do you think it's any less shaky or not? So that's pretty much why I'm doing it now, because I got that one Tesla I got this morning. So just building this bit this evening. Now you might see an arm of that here. That's my girlfriend. She's sitting beside me at the minute, and she does not want her face shown. So I leave it at that. We'll say no more or I get in trouble. So leave it at that. So as you can see, diffusion behind me, Baling. I've been in silence. This is still a first club silence job. It's the last for this man. I think anyways. I think he finished his first cuts. He just doesn't feel that hard time. Fails 100 or so fails. And it's just how he does it. So there's not too many here. It's a reasonably small field, about 3 acres. I have 16 bales men at the minute, and a few ups and downs run off the field. So I suppose on top of it about diffusion now, since we got it, at the very start we did have a small bit of trouble with it. Sprout bearing and pipe bust and a few little things, so it wasn't too major. With great support from the garage thought that anytime we had anything wrong, in a man out within the hour flying, and I couldn't get any better our service. But the last couple of thousand days, nothing was an ounce of trouble. Not an ounce. It's working like a dream. So it is. So we're very happy with it, and Jesus, I fully appreciate just how great it is to have one, because like this job or any of the jobs we were doing, I go on the normal case, you take out the John Deere, I go bale, finish the baling, have to go back and wrap the bales. I get a job like this, or to be maybe 25 bales. I get home, have to go on the wrapper, go back, wrap them, go home, and I leave, I'm finished. And it's just great. It's absolutely great to have the way of working like this. So I'm very pleased with it all. Very pleased. And it's doing a great job, making great bales. So everything is going fine with it. If you want, in a future video, I can take you run through the monitor, which is, you can just see it there beside me. Barely make it out. It's very, very good, so it's all buttons. Like literally all I do when the pressure comes on the bale is the beeper goes off, I stop, it does the rest. When the bale is done, I hit the one that chops the bale. That's it, I have to do nothing else. You can't do it, use manual mode. Manual mode is not simple, and you just automatically leave it. So it's very good. Now at the minute I'm only baling 10 foot swords. I mowed yesterday, baling at 5.5 kilometers an hour. This tractor in miles or kilometers, I can't remember. 5.5, whatever it is. Yeah, it's miles an hour. Yeah, but 5.5 miles an hour. So I don't have to do anything, stop, it does the rest. All I have to follow is click. Anyone that works with using those, anyone that does stop. Now, this tractor I'm using at the minute is the 6290 XL model. This is the most front suspension. With a hip pump up to use it. We got the pump screwed out, and it's borderline now. We're able to use it. She will die back a bit packing the bale, but especially on hills that actually can be a bit of a problem, and a problem with the power. Could I do with an extra couple of horses? But part of the reason we think as well is the tractor to do with this injector scheme, but is another thing. But so far so good. It hasn't no major problems with the tractor using this machine. Well able to use it. Just you know when you hit the hills and that you are just a little bit shy on the power scale. Flying under the fence. As I said before, what they talk about. Yeah, so I suppose after that, I talk a bit about the silence. So at the minute, silence wise, we're after cutting the first and the second cuts there yesterday. High hitch crop, not over heavy, but sure with the weather we've had, sure what can you expect? You can't expect a huge crop of stuff like after that serious dry spell, and it's still a dry spell. Sure, it's nice enough for the conditions being. We've probably a second crop ourselves, we've built a lot of bales. and it was purely just to tie up that bit of ground with the rest of our second cut, which we've had all the cattle off about 2 weeks now, so we hope to cut that about the last week of August, first week in September. That last week time for a vintage silage date, I'll have a video about that as well. That's the plan anyways, so we'll see how we get on. So that'll all be tying up around the same for us. We still have this I think will be the last of the first cup bales. The last of the first cup bales cut last week. Just one I do, I think it's the middle of July cut. That's his thing. I think it's actually a loss. I'm not 100% sure. But something along them lines, I was always able to the middle of July cut anyway. So good crop of stuff like that, but that's purely because it's just left so long. But after that, grass is okay. At home now at the minute, talking about the drought conditions, everyone seems to be fairly well out, but the recent rain has been huge for everyone. Anyone that got it rain, seeing grass is absolutely level down the ground, big time, which is great. But at the minute at home, we have, I think we're down to about 20 calves on me. We're feeding them on buckets just to keep them out of the shed. With the warm weather, the shed is just a death trap with pneumonia, just with the stinkiness of it. So we shut them all out. Oh, we have 20 calves on buckets, working fine. My brother's looking after them, keeps him off the plane for the summer. More than anything else. Everything else is all grass now. We're all in batches of 50, bar 2 batches. One is in a large batch and another in a small batch. And all bar 2 batches, the large and the small batch, or no, the large batch is getting hit. All bar 1 batch of calves. So basically, nearly all the 400 are getting hit. So we're at the minute that we just segregate just to keep them up, and then it's going we're on the village ground, silage ground, so we can pick that up. We had a hit those 50 cows about a week and a half. Working out very fine. We had 200 bales of hay there at the start of the heat wave, and we have lots of hay, so we're 100% that way. Like, we reckon that the way that we're going and how much silage we'll come up to make, and the whole crop coming in will be sound for the winter, silage wise. And we're keeping all our own straw this year. We're not going to sell any because we probably want the dogs, so it's probably best to do it that way. So on the tillage front, we have, now remember that I said in the last video, we have ground sprayed off. We have all the winter stuff sprayed off, ready to cut. It would have been cut today, but we were fixing this tractor with a slight Baling. Pipes was loose and an O-ring gone. We fixed that and just left us delayed, and this had to be done. So we'll probably cut tomorrow, we'll say. We'll cut the winter oats first. As the plans of winter barley. There's 10 acres of winter oats and about 10 acres of winter barley. What's to say now? Winter oats, great crop, savage crop, huge crop, lovely crop of stuff. The winter barley is poor. It's poor now. It didn't do very well, very thin crop, but through great head. So look, it's not going to be over hectic, but there was very little spent on it. My father says you can nearly call it an organic crop. Same with yours, very little spent on it. Just the way it played out, we didn't get around to spraying them when they shouldn't have sprayed at the start. We got one great crop and one mediocre crop. So not really great. The rest of the crops, we reckon, about another 6 weeks, I think my father was saying. We'll be cutting the whole crop around the same time as the silage. So that's what, about 4 weeks away. Maybe about 5 weeks. So we'll run in about 100 acres of whole crop. Maybe more. It all depends on what the weather's doing. The way the weather is, we might come with more. Just because it's turned out that it's been a great spell. But apart from that, everything's going fine. Just a bit more on the grass at the moment. They still have grass, we're still strip grazing bulls at the minute, the 100 bulls down the bottoms. We still have about 7 days of grass for them. And once they've gone ahead, they're going into the shed for finishing. And then after that, once the grass starts coming back, if we have two paddocks at the minute, being just kept to one side till maybe the grass back on them, put calves on them. And once them bulls go in and the calves and them other 2 paddocks come on, we're going to start rotating the calves again, and we might need to give them as much hay. But that all depends on how much rain comes or the grass grows like. But the minute grass grows up is pretty reasonable, and we'll be happy with it. Go on a nice crops. So that's really it. I'm trying to think of anything else I have to talk about. I can't think of anything else. I think I'll be baling rushes this evening. We are baling off rushes off of bottoms, 15 acres of bottoms that we're going to reclaim. We're going to put back in the drains into it and then fence it off. So the 15 acres will be, I think we counted it into 7 or 10 fields, paddocks, all fenced off. We're getting ready to start hitting that. Or the weather is this good, it's a chance to get it. We're seeing that's really why we're pushing hard to get it done, because it'll be very well grounded and warm. So that is the plan with that. So I'll be doing that later on. I might do a video on it. I'll be baling with the John Deere baler about this, just because this is too heavy for that type of ground. So I think that's really it. So I think I'll leave it at that. If you have any comments or anything you want me to talk about, any of that kind of crap, let me down in the comments down below. And that's really it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. That is it for me. Good luck!